National Bird Watching Day is celebrated every year on 12th November across the country on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Dr. Salim Ali, a name that resonates with every Indian as we fondly remember a man enthusiastically talking about his undying love for nature, his outstanding contribution to the field of ornithology, which stemmed from his dedication, led him to be known as the Birdman of India. Dr. Salim Ali died on 27 June 1981 at the age of 91. Understanding bird conservation means the understanding of ecology. It aims at the conservation of all biodiversity and in return beneficial in the spiritual and material well-being of human life. The major bird sanctuaries in Kerala are Tattekadu, Kumaragam, Kadalundi and several others. Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary is the biggest wildlife sanctuary in Kerala. A bird sanctuary with a tree corridor has been planned at Velayani Lake to conserve the dwindling bird population and the wetland ecosystem of the area. Also, Kumaragam Bird Sanctuary in Kottayam district. A wide range of rare birds make it an alluring place of bird watchers. Migratory birds of different parts of globe fly here at a time. Many birds are under threat from climate changes, loss of habitat, deforestation, and other life devastating features. On the National Bird Watching Day, everyday evils against birds must be spoken about and addressed to the public. Everyone is unique and important. Save our birds.